Indian and Chinese, say what? Have it both ways at Indian Kebabs and Curries. Ever have Indian Chinese? A mix of the flavors of India and China. Hence, it is very confusing for the taste buds wondering, what are we eating, in a very good way. A very positive, unequivocal in pleasing the palate, but I will warn you, this can become addictive. Indian Kebabs and Curries definitely know how to serve this fusion cuisine up in style. I am unsure how these chicken bites were prepared, however, they were the moistest, creamy, palatable chicken bites ever. In addition, I love the crunchy toppings which added a nice delicious flavor to them. These succulent savory chicken bites dipped in chutney also added more jump of flavors. The noodles had a distinct taste to them, very mild and mellow. The noodles were not mushy and went well with the chili chicken. A lot of fresh veggies for those who prefer vegetarian, and these satisfy the noodle cravings. The chicken from Indian Kebabs and Curries definitely has some Chinese background in terms of taste with hints of India spices. Nonetheless, it was very mouth-watering and full of pep. It wasn't spicy, like red fire hot Thai chili hot, it was, as a matter of fact, not chili at all. It came hot and fresh. Very big thick morsels of chicken prepared in a delicious sauce with scallions. These moist, tasteful kebabs had a slight hint of smoked essence and pungency. Lamb kebabs dipped in a delightful mint chutney was the complete combination. Lamb pairs quite nicely with mint. I took the wonderful naans prepared with garlic butter and wrapped it the kebab, put the mint chutney in it and munched on it. My friend who recommended Indian Kebabs and Curries also joined in on the mouth-watering journey. If you are looking for a twist on Indian food, this is the place for you. You can order 2 types of flavory cuisines, Indian and Chinese, both are yummy. Indian Kebabs and Curries are located in the heart of the famous Khao San Road, so for those party-goers, nonetheless, this is the place for you. For delivery, the food comes hot off the grill for you to enjoy as if you were sitting there after a night out. Thank you to the wonderful team at Indian Kebabs and Curries for allowing us to review and taste the enjoyable cuisine. I really enjoyed the different culinary flavors of this restaurant. Chili chicken.